my little YouTubers, my little snookum faces. Yeah, don't feel very well today. Got a really bad chesty cough. Taking Benilyn. Look at my hairs on the side, quite funny. Oh, you know, it's just randomly, ow, curly, as usual. Okay, yeah, just thought I'd make myself cough, just so you can hear my cough. It's pretty awful. Does anyone know anything that can get rid of a really bad chesty cough? Because mine is really bad and it's pretty getting me down. So, hang on. Okay. Yeah, just post a video on YouTube, me coughing, so. Okay, see ya. Oh yeah, anything to stop a cough like this. Because Benilyn's not working for me, so.